Again, everybody, it's Maria at Hyundai of Cottonwood and Larry Green Chevrolet. I am going to do a walk around. Gosh, it's hard. So hot. I'm going to do a walk around on a, so you can see in the background. I know it's kind of loud. This is a 2008 Dodge Ram, 3/4 ton, four-wheel drive, quad cab. It only has 78,000 miles on it, which is awesome for a diesel. And it has a 6.7 turbo in it. So I'm going to do a little walking around. I got my selfie stick for those of you that wanted me to get the selfie stick. Isn't it awesome? Beautiful truck. If I could see what the heck was going on out here. All right. Hey! It's got a... Sorry, the guys I work with. He's trying to photobomb my video. It's got the bed liner in it, as you can see. Where's he at? No, you're out here, loco. All right, let's get inside. I'm sorry, Alex Lacayo is screwing around. See if we can get him. Okay, anyways. Sorry, we like to have fun here. Let me get up in this bad boy. Okay. So cool in here. Okay. Let's turn down the air. So here's the interior of this here vehicle. It's got all these little gadgets and stuff for all your boys who like all this. Somebody loved this truck a little bit before they traded it in. Nice and roomy. It's a super, super clean truck. And this truck, sorry guys. Ugh. This truck retails for $31,999, and you'll find that on our website if you go to www.hyundaiofcottonwood.com. It will pull up all of the inventory on our lot as well as the Larry Green lot. So come on down, ask for me, Maria Spear. I bounce around between both lots. I'm primarily up at the Hyundai lot. My number up there is 928-634-2228, extension 304. And you can also find me on my Facebook page or on my YouTube channel. So come on in and see me. If you do refer people, make sure that you tell them that you sent them. I need your name, first and last name, and a way to reach you, so you can always message me on my Facebook page. And that way we can get you a referral bonus for your trouble. So come on down and see me. I'm here all day long. I need to sell cars. I live to sell cars. And I hope to see you soon, okay? Bye.